Hello guys, how to fix if your monitor turns off or goes black randomly on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is update your graphics card driver. Right click on a start button and choose device manager. Open device manager in your system and go to display adapter section. Expand it and right click on your display adapter driver and choose update driver. This is the first workaround. Choose search automatically for drivers and Windows will update your display adapter driver and your randomly black screen will resolve. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system. Go to power options. Here go to your power settings plan, balanced or high additional plans. Click on change plan settings and turn off the display. Choose never. Same, put the computer to sleep. Choose never. Both on battery and plugged in. Choose never and finally click on save changes. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Press Windows key plus R conjointly and open run command box. Here type appwiz.cpl to open program and features window in control panel, and here look for any conflicting apps or any apps having error. Simply select it and choose uninstall. Conflicting apps and any apps having error may be a cause of your computer randomly goes black.